What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to add Amazon affiliate links to your YouTube description. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you an example of Amazon affiliate links. Here's one of my videos, and if you go to the bottom of the description, you notice I've got the links here. Now if I do choose to click on one of these links, it will open it in another tab and take you straight to that product where then the customer can buy it. If they buy the product, I will get a small commission off it. If they don't buy the product but they purchase another one within 48 hours, I will still get a commission off that product. That's because when they click on the link, it actually sends a cookie to their browser, which then expires within 48 hours. That's one of the best things about Amazon affiliate links, and I'm going to show you how to set that up right now. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and sign up for Amazon Associates, which is basically Amazon's affiliates program. Now you can do this by typing in Amazon affiliate into Google, and it should be the first link at the top, or you can click on the link in description and it will take you straight to it. Now it's important you sign up for the correct one. The reason being is because if most of the people clicking on your links are from the UK, you want to obviously take them to the UK version of Amazon. That way they're more likely going to convert. You can actually check where most of the people are viewing your videos from. You can do this by going into the YouTube Creator Studio, clicking on Analytics, and if you scroll all the way down, here it will say top geographers. In my case, it's the United States at 45%, and the United Kingdom coming second at 9.6%. So I'm going to want to sign up for the US version, as that's where most of my views are coming from. Okay, so once you've clicked on the correct link, all you want to do is click on join now for free. It will prompt you to sign into your current Amazon account, and you just want to go and fill in some basic information. It's about a 5-step process. It takes about 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Now a lot of people do get accepted for this program, so it's going to be very unlikely that you're going to get denied. If you do click on the wrong Amazon Associates website, you can actually change your location here in the top right hand corner. So once you've signed up for an Amazon Associates account and you've been accepted, you should be taken straight to your dashboard. If you haven't been taken to your dashboard, all you want to do is come back to the Associates website, click the login button at the top, sign into your new Amazon Associates account, and then you will be taken to your dashboard. I then recommend you bookmark it as well so it's easier to get to. Now this is what the dashboard looks like. It tells you basic information like how many clicks you've got and what your earnings are, and how many items have been dispatched. Now as you can see, I've had 272 clicks, but I've had 0 earnings, which is a bad conversion, and the reason is because I'm actually currently on my UK links, and as I mentioned earlier, most of the people viewing my videos are from the US, and they're not going to want to purchase anything from the UK website. Now there are actually 2 ways of creating an Amazon link. The first way of doing it is by using the search bar on your dashboard, and you just want to type in a keyword. So for example, I'm typing in Corsair, and it will list loads of products. We're going to then click on get link on the product we want to use, and today we're just going to focus on putting them on YouTube descriptions or anywhere on YouTube. So we're going to click on text only, and then here is going to be a text, so you want to click on short link and copy and paste this text into your YouTube description. Now the second way of doing this is by going to the Amazon website itself, typing in the keyword and finding the product you want to use. You'll notice that you'll have this new Amazon Associates bar at the top. So once you're on the product, you want to click on this text link and copy and paste this link again into the YouTube description, and that's all you need to do. Private Internet Access is a VPN service that encrypts all of your internet traffic and uses a safe protected IP. It's got tons of other useful features, and you can check it out at the link below. And that is how you create Amazon Associate links for YouTube or anywhere really that you want to put a text link. So it's very simple. You can also view a full report if you wish to view it in more detail as well. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you do have any questions or comments, just leave a comment below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and have a good day.